Creating split features. Here we have a sketch line on a work plane, and we split faces. We're going to go up to split command. We typically will split a face so that we can put a draft angle on both sides of the model. So we would pick on the face that we're interested in, and then would pick on the split tool. And we pick on the split, and it projects it onto all surfaces that it comes across. I could actually set it to be select surfaces, but I'm going to go with all, and I hit OK, and you can see how it has split this item. Alright, I would turn off my visibility of my work plane, but it would split this item. I'm going to undo that, and I'm going to go again, and now let's trim the model, which is actually what's used more often. I go to split, and down here I can trim. And so when I pick on trim, I pick on my split tool. I pick on the split tool, and it says to remove. So down here I'm removing the bottom half. You see where the arrow's pointing down. If I switched around, the arrow's pointing up. So I'm going to remove the bottom half. I'll hit apply, and bingo, I removed the bottom half just like that. I'm going to undo that. Let's try doing one more thing here with the split tool. In the split tool, I can remove area. So I go up to split in the modify panel, and I'm going to go down here to remove, to split the solid. And so now I come over here and pick on my split tool, and so now I have to split the solid. I can hit OK, and you can see it is now split. Let me turn off this work plane, or actually turn the visibility off, and what I'll do is now I'll go up to direct and pick on this, and you can see by pulling this thing out it is split. Alright, so I have split this item, and so the splitting the model, then I can split it and then I can modify it afterwards. So when we take a look at our split tool, we really like to, for the most part, we like to trim solids and we like to split a solid. When we go with splitting a face, that's for when we want to split a face so that we can put a draft angle on both halves of the part.